AW Breakout Catcher Indicator, full instructions and description. The indicator detects the most powerful level breaks and calculates stop loss and take profit marks. The advanced algorithm of the indicator determines the most successful entry points. The indicator signals are recorded in the statistical module, which allows you to choose the most appropriate symbols according to the effectiveness of the breakout history. The indicator does not repaint the results and closes exactly when the candles close. You can get the multi-time frame and multi-currency Breakouts Dashboard for free. This dashboard will allow you to monitor the entire market in one window. The panel allows you to see signals as well as success ratings on all instruments and time frames at the same time. To get Breakouts Dashboard, contact us at MQL5. Actions for effective work of the indicator. First of all, it is the success rating of the signal, which should be at least 70%. When the signal is received, open a position. Secondly, choose the stop loss mode. Dynamic, following the trader's strategy. Using dynamic stop loss will help to reduce risks. SL at the opposite signal, it is better to use it to filter market noise and to prevent market jumps. Thirdly, choosing one of 3 take profit options. The first is to close the position on the trend reversal. The second option is to close the entire position at the first take profit. The third option is to close 50% of the position at the first take profit and 50% at the second TP. The smaller the value in the take profits target variable, the closer the TP is to the opening price of the position. The larger the value, the further TP is from the opening price. Range filtering and amplitude settings. Depending on the volatility of the instrument used, it is recommended to use different values of range filtering and amplitude. The larger the value of variables, the higher the accuracy of signals, but the number of signals is reduced. The smaller the value of variables, the lower the accuracy of signals, but the number of signals is increased. By adjusting the indicator for each instrument, you can get a good strategy. Let's see how the indicator works in practice. First, the variant of stop loss at the opposite signal. The success rate of more than 70%. By signal, TP1 is hit. Exit the position with plus 3.8 pips. Sell signal. Both take profit hits, TP1 plus 4.7 pips, TP2 plus 12.7 pips. Buy signal. Stop loss on the new signal. Exit the position with minus 25.5 pips. Sell signal. TP1 hit plus 7.2 pips. Now choose the variant of work with dynamic stop loss. The success rating is also above 70%. Buy signal. Take profit 1 is hit plus 9.7 pips. TP2 is also hit plus 21.3 pips. Sell signal. Both take profit hits. The buy signal is false. Stop loss is hit 28 pips. Sell signal TP1 hit. TP2 also hit. Information on the indicator panel. The type of the last signal and the price at which the last signal was. Sell is orange, buy is green. First and second, take profit. These are possible levels for closing a position. When TP is hit, these lines are yellow. Stop loss can be displayed in 2 variants: the distance in points when working with a dynamic stop loss or on the opposite signal. When the SL is hit, the line is purple. The total number of signals received for the calculated number of candles. The number and percentage of trades in which TP1 and TP2 were hit. Exit win. This is the number of signals that did not reach the first take profit, but turned out to be in profit when the trend reversed. Exit loss. This is the number of signals that did not hit the first take profit and turned out to be negative profit at the trend reversal. Win and lose. This is the ratio of profitable and losing signals. Success rating. This is the percentage of trades that reached the first take profit or turned out to be in the plus at the trend reversal. It is recommended to work with symbols where the percentage of successful trades exceeds 70%. We are also pleased to present you with a fully automated AW Breakout Catcher EA trading on the signals of the indicator Breakout Catcher, which works on the strategy of breaking dynamic support and resistance levels. Built-in flexible system for adjusting stop loss and take profit. Optionally, it can use averaging. It can work on a selected time interval and 3 types of notifications. Link to AW Breakout Catcher Expert Advisor in the video description. Let's look at the input settings of the indicator. Variables are grouped by sections for easy and quick navigation. So, the main signal settings are the main section of the indicator settings. Range filtering is a coefficient for filtering market ranges. Values from 1 to 1.5 for calm trading, and values from 1.5 to 2 for scalping trading. Period and amplitude. The higher the value, the tighter the filtering. Available values are from 1 to 15. Stop loss mode, option at opposite signal, or dynamic stop loss. Stop loss target. The higher the variable's value, the further away from the opening price the stop loss will be located. The multiplier of the target is the coefficient for reaching take profit 1 and take profit 2. The higher the multiplier, the more profit from one trade, but the lower the percentage of successful signals. The value is from 2.0 to 2.5 for classic day trading. The value is less than 2 for more aggressive scalping trading. Maximum bars. Number of candlesticks for calculating statistics. Developer settings section. Notification settings section. Here you can configure notification type and sound. The graphic settings section of the indicator, where you can configure the colors and sizes of graphic elements. If necessary, you can disable the indicator panel. You can also adjust the panel size for monitors with different resolutions. After purchasing the indicator, you will receive the multi-currency and multi-time frame AW Breakouts Dashboard for free. The panel allows you to track up to 135 charts in one window. It allows you to see the direction of the last breakout, signals and success ratings on all instruments and timeframes at the same time. If necessary, you can change its position on the chart or minimize it. AW Breakouts Dashboard supports various types of notifications, alerts, email, and push notifications for smartphones and tablets. You can switch to any chart with one click. Breakouts Dashboard Interface Description. The upper part displays the analyzed timeframes. The names of the selected instruments are displayed on the left. Each cell is monitored on a separate chart. Clicking on a cell instantly switches to the selected chart. Orange cells indicate the type of the last sell signal. Blue cells if the last buy signal. The numbers inside the cell are the success rating. Black numbers if the success rate is equal or more than 70%. You can trade this instrument at the moment. Gray numbers when the success rating is less than 70%. We do not recommend trading this instrument at the moment. Orange cells in a white frame are a sell signal. Blue cells in a white frame are a buy signal. Signals are displayed independently of the success rating. Do not forget that when the success rating is less than 70%, even if there is a signal, trading is not recommended. The Breakouts Dashboard is set up separately from the indicator. To configure it, go to the Input Settings section. AW Breakout Catcher Settings section. Here you can configure the main parameters of the indicator for statistics displayed in the panel. Multi-currency panel settings. In this section, you can select the number of time frames to analyze. The maximum is 9. Also here you can set the number of symbols to analyze. The maximum is 15. After the comma, write the symbols exactly as they are displayed in your trading terminal. The graphic settings section is used to adjust the font size, color of cells, and text, as well as to change the position of the dashboard along the X and Y axes. Notification settings section, where you can select the type and sound of notifications you receive. Don't forget to contact us to get the Breakouts Dashboard for free. Thanks for watching. I hope it was useful for you.